Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a black Lasko Cool Colors box fan. This is my step-grandmother's box fan. And yeah, so this fan is from, I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, you can see, but it's from 2020 to 21. Like my 3733. Yeah, it's not the model. Yeah, there's to show the model on here. Yeah, it doesn't. I'm not sure if it shows the model on here. But yeah, so I gave my step-grandmother this, because, well, I used to have one of these. Yeah, this was mine. This was exactly mine. And, well, it broke. So, I wanted to get a blue one, so I did. And then I sold this to my grandmother for I don't know, I don't remember. It was a really long time ago. So, yeah, let's start off on well. And then off. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Like and subscribe.